Hey guys! It's Megan and Sean Purdy from Traveling Our Purdy World. And today is day 3. We are going to Freeport very soon. Freeport, the Bahamas. It's a small little island in the Bahamas. Apparently it used to be very popular and there was a lot to do, a lot of hotels and resorts. And my parents talked about how they used to fly down here, take like little private charters and fly down here for a weekend, and it was like the happening place. But since hurricanes have happened, it has now turned into kind of a abandoned area, like industrial, but there's still some really cool, exciting things to do here. So we started our day with a nice big cup of coffee. Then we headed down to Deck Zero to get off the ship. And then we're going to walk through a little straw market type thing. And then we're going to walk and found a taxi cab. And we are hoping to go to both a rum distillery and a brewery. So after a little confusion and talking to the police officer at the taxi area, we were able to get a taxi for us to go to the brewery and the distillery. It was $25 per person round trip to be paid in cash. We tried to negotiate on the price and they did not negotiate. That is the price. Take it or leave it. So we took it and we got in the cab. Our cab driver was really good. He talked to us the whole entire way to the brewery and distillery, told us about, you're going to see this on the right, you're going to see this on the left, gave us a history of the island. It was really nice. So when you arrive to the brewery, you will enter through what is a liquor store, and you'll basically say you want to do the brewery tour, and then they will send over someone who will escort you throughout the tour. So when we arrived, it was about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and the brewery was not bottling or brewing any beer. So our lady quickly took us through. We got to see it, and she talked for about maybe 5 minutes to explain a few different areas. And then we went in and had some beer samplings. And then you get to like taste samples.
Comes with flights too.
Flights. Number 2. This is the Sands Regular. Number 3. This is High Rock. A lot of alcohol?
Higher alcohol.
5. Number 4. This is Bush Crack.
5.8% alcohol.
Number 5.
66 steps.
For the Queen's Staircase in Nassau. Number 6.
Strong
Stout. We then got back in our taxi and went to the Bahamas Distilling Company to take a tour and taste some of their rum. We then
By using access parts of the distilled, so we came up with this really efficient still. So in theory, this will be able to produce 3,000 bottles a month, which may sound like a lot, but if we had this one here operational for a month as well, this will be able to produce 20,000 bottles. So we really want this up and running.
So do you distill anything here?
Yeah.
Or is it all, do you distill anything here?
Yeah, with this
Oh, with that one. Oh,
This
okay.
one, this
That's
one is
it?
operational.
No,
one.
wow.
It does everything.
And how many bottles you want?
About 3,000 if we run it every day for a week. Right now, that's kind of
Then we headed back
impossible,
inside and
because
tasted
we're
some
looking
rum.
12 hour shifts right now.
The root beer soda mixed with the spice rum, just to give you something very.
This is really good. That's the one you were talking about.
Yes, sir. So this has been aged for.
I'm good. Just them two.
Oh my gosh, that's
Yeah,
good.
a year and 7 months. So this is 50%
that
tastes like root
That
beer.
was good. What was that now?
Yeah.
It was the root beer.
Root beer?
Yeah, that was the
that's-
root beer and the spice.
Five.
All right. Oh, what size is it?
2X.
2X? Okay. Okay, so this one is in the stump. This will be $30.
Oh, that's strong.
Yeah.
So then once we finished our adult beverages and we were feeling good, we got back in our taxi and drove back to the cruise port, did some shopping, had some conch fritters and conch juice from the local vendors and walked around and just had a great time. Then we got back on the ship and had dinner on board. So follow along, like, subscribe, and follow, and we will continue to provide you great cruise news and cruise reviews. Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Mwah.